Hi, it's Ty the Real Estate Guy, and I'm a new home construction specialist here in the great state of Utah. Today, I'm giving you a home tour of the Hyperion. It's a 3-story home built by Alpine Homes. The Hyperion will give you 2,200 finished square feet, 3 bedrooms, and 2.5 bathrooms. Before we step inside, let's put the drone in the air and show you what the house looks like right now. Okay, here's what the house looks like today. You can see we're just finishing the framing phase and we are about to start the 4-way, which includes adding electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. And here's our sign, now selling CK Farms in American Fork, Utah. Okay, so the first thing we're looking at here is a 2-car garage, and you can see that this home is going to be built with the 2x6 exterior walls instead of 2x4. So you can see how thick that board is on the exterior. And as you look over here, you can see they're putting the mechanical, which is gonna be your furnace and water heater, in a closet here in the garage. So as you park your cars here in the garage, you're gonna enter the house through that door right there. But we are gonna walk into the house through the front door. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna point out what these are. These are basically giant footings. They'll stick this rebar up, and that is gonna help support all of this space here above us. And you can see what they've done here. For back up, they're gonna put a covered patio on the 2nd floor here, and then you're gonna have some extra space right there, which is actually gonna be the kitchen pantry. So all of that weight from the 2nd and 3rd floor is gonna come down onto these cement footings that you see right here. And you can see some giant header boards like running across right here that are gonna help hold the weight as well. So let's go ahead and step inside here. Now, before we step inside, you're gonna notice this little piece of cement with rebar right here. They're gonna put some steps in this location, and that little piece of cement with rebar in it will help keep the steps leading up to the house from sinking into the ground. And here you're gonna have just kind of a small little entryway leading in to the house. They will pour a porch cap here, so they will pour extra cement that makes this look really nice. Right here, you see this piece of metal right here. This is what we call an earthquake strap. In other states where there's lots of hurricanes, they'll call it a hurricane strap. Imagine that. Around the doorway here, you're gonna see this white paper. That white paper is a waterproof flashing. So I think that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and step inside here. Once again, as we step inside, you're gonna notice the 2x6 boards right here. And then of course this door that we're passing here is gonna lead us into the garage. So we've already looked at that, okay? Now you've got some steps here leading up to the 2nd floor, but we are not going there yet. First, we're gonna talk about this location. As you step in on the main floor here, you're gonna have what you can put an office here, or you can put a bedroom. So you could actually have 4 bedrooms in this house. And you can see where they've spray painted this orange here. That is where they are going to put a bathroom. So you can actually do a bedroom with a bathroom here on the main floor, which is awesome. They've got a big sliding glass door right here, gonna go into this section. And then of course, underneath the stairs here, you're gonna have just kind of some extra storage space, right? Now, if we look on these interior walls, you see it's only a 2x4 here. So that's a much smaller board. that doesn't matter because we're on the inside now, and that's really common. And then the other thing you probably notice is this little hole in the ground. This little hole leads to the crawl space. So there's no basement in this house, but there is, I don't know if you can see it. If we look down inside here, there is just some extra space to keep the house up off the ground in case there's water or anything like that. Okay, now we are going to head up to the second floor. And you can see Alpine Homes has put a nice big window here, give some lighting to the house. And as we step up, you can see there's a closet here. What is this closet, you ask? It is your half bathroom on the main floor. So right when you come to the top of the stairs, you are gonna have a half bathroom here. And you'll notice you have taller ceilings here. These are 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. This little board here, you can see this is a wall. It's a half wall or a pony wall. So that'll come across here, and usually you're gonna put like a nice big couch kind of through this area because we're looking at the family room, okay? So you can see here, they've put a huge window in this location. Now for this particular home, you can see, for now at least, it has incredible views. Okay, so stepping into the corner here, you can see that this is actually going to be a really nice sized family room. So once again, you'd probably put a couch over here and potentially a couch here with your TV on this wall. Okay, now we're turning and we're looking at the kitchen area of the house. Okay, so this red spray paint on the floor is telling us where the island is going to be. So you're gonna have your refrigerator and oven, microwave, all that stuff along this back wall, and that leads to your kitchen pantry. And you can see this is actually gonna be a nice big kitchen pantry in this location with a window. Coming out here, you're gonna have a really nice large kind of covered patio. And this covered patio has a closet right here. And we're going to step out onto here. And this is just gonna be like a storage closet. It's gonna be kind of an exterior closet there. And that's kind of your view from this porch. And that leads into the dining room. So this is a pretty nice plan because you get this large dining space here and a nice sized kitchen as well, leading into a family room. So this is one nice big open area. And then of course the last thing here that we haven't talked about is you are gonna have an extra closet right here in this location. So let's just look at the ceiling really quick. You can see some floor trusses here. That's gonna keep everything, you see they run all the way across from one side to the other, and that is gonna hold the weight of the floor above. And you can see they've already started to install the vents. Now, let's go ahead and head upstairs to the third floor. So, you can come back here. You know, you come up the stairs here. If you're going up to the bedrooms, you come up here. Once again, you're gonna see a nice large window. And as we step up to this floor, the first thing we see right here in front of us is a laundry room. Okay, so they got the laundry room here into this section. And if we turn around, it leads us into the master bedroom. So this is a nice sized master bedroom, you can see. And once again, from the master bedroom, you have incredible views. Step into the corner here. To give you a feel for size, you can see this master offers plenty of that. And then of course you can see the truss system through here. It's a sloping roof, kind of contemporary style home. Okay, so straight here in front of me, we have the master bathroom and closet. So you're gonna have a toilet area in this location, and then your shower is gonna be over here in this location. No tub, that's pretty common in these type of houses. And then if we look at the other side, this space right here is designated for your double sinks And then we step into the closet. You can see this is actually gonna be a pretty large closet as well. So now if we walk out of the master bedroom and back into the hallway, you can see the laundry room here. We already talked about that. And then we're gonna step right into here. We're gonna get a closet and another bathroom. So this house will come with 2.5 bathrooms, and then you have a bedroom here and a bedroom here. So we're gonna go ahead and step into these bedrooms just to kind of show you the size. Once again, 2x6 exterior walls throughout the whole house. And you can see the closet right over here. So that's your closet space. So once again, we'll take a peek up at those trusses there as we walk across and into the other bedroom. And we're gonna go ahead and step into the corner here as well and kind of show you what this bedroom is gonna be like. So step into the corner, we turn here, and you can see they have the closet here in this location. So that's pretty much it for this house. The home build process can be confusing, and it's often overwhelming. So if you have questions about building a house, or you'd like to understand the home build process better, I have loads of videos to help you out. I'll put links to some of the most popular videos below. And please, comment below if you have any questions. Sincerely, I want to hear from you. For more great home tours and new home construction videos, hit the subscribe button below and ring that little bell. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. It'll make you feel good.